What is the difference between snoring and sleep apnea? Snoring and sleep apnea are related but distinct sleep issues. Snoring involves the noisy vibration of tissues in the throat due to partial airway obstruction during sleep, often harmless but disruptive. Sleep apnea, however, is a serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep due to a complete or partial airway blockage. It causes frequent awakenings, leading to fragmented sleep and potential health risks like cardiovascular problems. While snoring can be a symptom of sleep apnea, the latter requires medical attention, as its impact on sleep quality and overall health is more severe. Grab anti-snoring pillow from our site snoreslayer.com to fight your snoring problem.